Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments, let me know what you're thinking, what you're doing to get through all this mess, and please share my videos out. I do read all of your comments. Y'all, before we get into what I need to tell you about, I also want to tell you about the video at the end of this video. It's linked to the end card of this video. Please go check it out. It's my new content of how to make money online. Please go check out that video. Okay, the Federal Reserve. If you remember, maybe 2 months ago, the Federal Reserve was talking about building these Federal Reserve bank accounts for every American. And then all of a sudden the talk just disappeared. Well, their plan was to go ahead and start stimulus checks for everyone through this bank account. The name of the bank would be the Federal Reserve Now account. And you would get a little debit card. And then the talks just disappeared. You didn't hear anything. Well, now they're talking again. Actually, they're doing more than talking. They're actually putting actions together for it. Other countries has already done this, and the thing that's really kicking our feds in the butt to get it done fast is China is almost ready to implement theirs. Theirs is almost done, and the United States can't let China beat them on this. So the feds are really working hard. Now, nothing is set in stone. So don't say that Walter told me we's getting a monthly check. I'm not saying that at all. But you know, like when there's a disaster like a hurricane or whatever, the feds tells FEMA to go ahead and send out this money. They do that without approval from Congress. Now with this federal bank account for every American, they can do this easily. And do they have the power to do it? Yes, they do. They do it with FEMA all the time. Now they're working on doing it for every American. The thing is, the Senate and the House has failed miserably on helping the American people. We are in bad need of stimulus. So now the feds is working on this, the Federal Now bank account for every American. And then when something like this happens, they don't have to get approval. They just load them cards up right then. And they're going to have it set up as a debit card, or on your smartphone. You can just pay for stuff through your smartphone. This is very good. This gives hope that something good is coming, because we can see that the House and the Senate probably never going to agree, and they're hurting the American people to the point that now we know the feds wants to help us. We know President wants to help, or at least he says he does. I tend to believe he does want to help us. We know the Fed says that they can send money out fast. They've got all the information from the last stimulus. All they got to do is just plug it in. They can make this happen. Will they make it happen? Is yet to be seen. But they are working on it. So this is very good. This is probably the best news we've heard in a long time. Now, when they get this bank account built for all Americans, which they're working really hard and fast on it, when they get these accounts put together, they don't have to get approval from nobody. The presidents will tell the feds, cut the checks. It's done that fast. The Fed sees that it needs to be done. It's done that fast. They don't need approval from nobody to do this. Keep your eyes and ears open for information about the Federal Reserve Now bank account. It's going to happen. It's just a matter of How much longer will it take to build these out? I don't think it's going to take long at all. And then it's a matter of, will they send us checks? We know before, a month or so ago when they was talking about it, they was talking about $2,000 a month, every month until it's over. I'm not saying that that's what it's going to be this time. We'll just have to wait and see where this goes. Y'all, let's hope and pray this happens, because this is better than the House and the Senate could ever give us anyway. Remember, I am not saying it's set in stone. Don't read that into it. We'll have to wait and see. They are working on it, and they can do it without approval. Let's just hope and pray. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here at the end. It's my new content. I will have this new content every Saturday at 2 p.m. I will keep having these stimulus videos every day at 6 a.m. Y'all, I love you all. Until the next time, keep your chins up. Keep faith that we're going to get through this, because I know we will. And I love you all. Ciao.